Welcome back to my plug life. And it's been a while since I've done an update like this. It's probably been 3-4 months, and I believe the team's been working on full self-driving pretty hardcore, but now they're starting to bring out updates again. Now, in that period of time that I haven't done these updates, there's been a few little changes. They added a new video game. They've moved some buttons around in the back menus that you wouldn't really notice, and they've also changed the noise that text messages will leave when you get one. But today, I got 2021.24.4, and there's a host of changes on this one. So the first one I saw in here was car wash mode. Now, car wash mode closes all the windows, locks the charge port, and disables windshield wipers, sentry mode, walkaway door locks, and parking sensor chimes. This is what you would use if you're parked in your driveway, for example. Now, also they have, for automatic car washes with conveyor belts, there's a free roll. It shifts into neutral and prevents the parking brake from being applied naturally. So if you leave the vehicle, actually will also allow it to keep rolling. So in order to access this, you can't just go into the Bluetooth and say, hey, activate a car wash mode. You'll get a screen like this, which is a little silly. Instead, it'll tell you how to get to a car wash like you're already there. But instead, you need to go into park, first of all. You go into controls, service, and then car wash mode. Now you can click this button. It's going to give you a big screen with a whole bunch of stuff on you, telling you all the kind of stuff that's going on with it. Now, when you're in the screen at a drive-through car wash, you then put it into drive, and you click the button at the bottom to put it into the free roll mode, and that will allow it to move through the car wash normally. The old way you used to do this is you'd have to throw it into neutral while you're at the car wash. This way you can do all of that kind of stuff together. I think this takes a little bit more work to do. I don't know if I would use this all much, but I'm going to try it out and see what it's like. Where I live, there isn't any of the ones that you'd have to leave the vehicle, because some places you can't be in the vehicle while it's doing the car wash. So in those places, you can actually still do that. I've never experienced this, but apparently they are out there. The next up on the list, there is a mirror auto dim. So at nighttime, it'll dim when there's lights behind you and what have you. You can turn this off now if you want to, up to you. There's Dashcam improvements. Now, Dashcam can save accidents now to your car. Now, this isn't shared with Tesla or anything like that, but I would assume that you would want this anyway, so I would definitely turn this thing on. Also, another neat thing they did is they changed the range display. Typically, you'd either have the kilometers or miles, or a percentage, depending on what you have set up. And if just clicking that on the screen, you can then change in between different modes. Another really cool one, though, actually, is there's a remain connected to Wi-Fi when you're in drive. Now, if you have premium connectivity, this isn't going to affect you. But if you don't have premium connectivity, you can use your phone as a hotspot in order to gain access to some of the premium features. For example, internet radio and the maps and that kind of stuff. Try it out. It might work for you, so you don't have to pay the $12, $13, $14 a month premium connectivity charge. This could work for you. And also, last but not least, they've added some new languages: Hungarian, Romanian, and Russian. So with these updates, maybe we'll see some more coming out shortly. Thank you very much for checking this out. I'm looking forward to what they bring out next. See you in the next video.